Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Samiksha and you're watching Wing It with Samiksha. I hope you're doing fine in this pandemic and take care of yourself and your family. So please take a moment and subscribe to this channel and please watch this video till the end. I'm pretty much sure that you're going to be really excited about this haul video. And it's a cumulative haul. That means it's like all together of everything that I shopped in these past 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. I don't know. ये सब कुछ बहुत टाइम से खरीदा हुआ है. I've used it. I've tested them out, and right now I'm going to show you all of them. And I have 2 baskets with me right here. It's all everything right here inside. So we'll start with the beauty tools first because that's the least that I have right now with me. So the first thing that I got for myself is these tulip cotton pads. It's a pack of 6 and I got it from Amazon and it was very cheap, like for 150 or something that I got it. There was some sale going on. Each particular packet has 50 of them and it cost $80, but I got 6 of them at 150. That was like a deal that I had to get my hands on, and I got these and I'm going to stock them up for my later use. Alright, so the next thing is going to be an eyelash curler. This particular one, I got this from Amazon again, I guess. Yeah, Amazon again. Guess for how much? $30. I was just like, I have to get it. $30 and it works beautifully. I've used it for my last 2-3 looks that I've done. I'm happy. Also, I got a pack of 6 beauty blenders, which is like 3 are the mini ones and there are 3 big ones. All of them are in different shapes. This one has a cut slit on it and this one's like this. And the best among all the big ones is the black one. It's actually a microfiber sponge and it works beautifully and I think it has a brand name over it, which is Boravis. I don't know, I've never heard about it. But the rest of them don't have anything printed on them. And I feel these are a little tight. I don't know. Sponge is supposed to be like very soft but these are really hard, if I may say. They're like, it takes quite a few ounces of my energy to press them. All these 6 for $100. So it's worth it anyways. And I'm going to put all the product links in the description box below. पहले sale चल रही थी इसलिए सस्ते पड़े थे. I don't know अब इनकी price क्या होगी, but I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below if you want to go buy them. We're done with the tools now, so I think we should go to the skincare because I think that's the least. I aim for buying more skincare and I end up buying a lot of makeup and it's just like, what are you doing, Samiksha? So yeah, so skincare. So I got myself this Face Shop's Herb Day Foaming Cleanser and the Herb Day Cleansing Cream. ये वाला fruit का है, ये है aloe vera वाला. These two. And I wanted to get my hands on this since so long. Oh my god. And I finally got it. And I finally got it for a very good price because Nykaa had a sale going on. I think it's still there. I don't know. I'm not really sure. But I'm going to put the links in the description box below, so go check it out. And I got this for very cheap. This retails for $390. I got it for $250 or something. I don't know. It was so great. This one I've used. This one I haven't used yet because it's a new piece. I'm happy with this. I also got myself a toner from the Beauty Co. As you know, I've finished up my toner entirely. And I got the Beauty Co's Rose variant. I was a little... हुआ क्या था ना कि मैंने ना ये मंगा लिया था and then I realized that I don't like roses and it has a very strong rosy smell. I wanted to cancel it out but it was for so cheap and the other variants were a little expensive, like 200 rupees extra. I was like, it's okay, let's compromise with the smell. Okay, so the next product has been into so much talk lately. Every vlogger is talking about it and they're loving this product. I don't know how it's going to work on me, but it's the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. So this one has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it, which is supposed to be good for skin. I haven't used it much. I did use it, but I haven't used a lot of it yet. This product is something that I'm giving my last hope on it as a acne prone skin. which is the Triveda Kumkumadi Beauty Face Oil. Now this has also been in the talks of it being really nice, it working great, having miraculous results. I have no idea if that's true yet. I am going to start using this. It's a 21-day challenge, and if I don't see any result after that, I will let you know. And if that works, if this baby right here works, girl or guy, if you're watching this video, and if you're acne prone skin, you got to get your hands on it. Only if it works on me, I will put it across and I will let you know how this lady works. So this is everything that I had in my skincare, and now let's move on to makeup. This is what I'm really excited about because I love me some good makeup. So the first thing is the Swiss Beauty's Bold Matte Lip Liners. Now basically I got this from Amazon in the sale, and this one retails for 500. It says 500 here, but I got it for like 240 or something like that. And it has 12 lip liners in it. All of them are beautiful colors, if you can see. I'm going to do a swatch and a review video of this very soon on my channel, so stay tuned for that. So the next product that I got my hands is my my second pack product, which is the Zero Pore Septation Cream. Wow, they say cream, but they have gel-based formula. Now, I did not realize and I did not notice that they had a cream variant of this one. This is the gel-based, which is like more of a silicone-based primer. But they say that it can be used as a day cream and a night cream too, which I really don't know how. This was originally at 700 rupees, and I was a little, not so sure if I should get it or not. And I think I will make a proper in-depth review about this particular product and let you guys know about it, because right now I don't have a lot to say about this. So yeah. The next product is the OG Lakme Insta Liner, which is in the shade blue. Now look at this electric blue. I absolutely love this one. I always wanted to get my hands on this one. The black one is a little dull in the intensity of its color. This is so cute. So I don't know if you can see it. It's a very vibrant blue, perfect for your eye looks if you want something that can be seen as blue, because some colors, some blues, they tend to just look like they're some dark color and they don't see as blue. But I love this one. I'm so sure it's going to come out so electrified, and I absolutely love it. And it actually dries out matte. That's great. Which is going to be the Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara. This is in the non-waterproof variant, and I absolutely love it. It just makes my lashes so volumized, so lengthened. I absolutely love it. I use it on a daily basis. Whenever I have to create a look, I absolutely use this one, and it just makes me feel so much better about my mascaras, man. This has changed my life about mascaras, if you know what I mean. Well, jumping to the next product, which is again Face Shop's lip tint in the shade 01 Rose Pink. Now this particular product, I do not use it on my lips, you guys. I think it's just waste because it doesn't show up much, it doesn't stay, it becomes really dry. And I think using this tint as my blush is much more practical and much more cost efficient, because I don't have to go through a lot of purchases to just get this one. I love it. That's why I'm saying it. I love this product on my cheeks, that is. It gives me a very natural rosy blush effect, which I absolutely love. I legit, if this finishes up, I'm gonna buy the next one for sure. So the next product is the Maybelline's Fit Me Compact Foundation, the Matte Plus Poreless. I am in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. This one is for normal to oily skin, and it's in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. And this is how it looks. It comes up with a mirror below and a sponge with it. The packaging of it is a little weird, because if I want to touch up outside and I want to see the mirror and I want to use the compact powder, I have to keep juggling with it like this. And I don't think that's going to be what I want when I'm outside trying to touch up. It's a little inconvenient, but it's fine because it gives you a full length mirror, which is absolutely great, and you get a good quality sponge with it. So yeah, I'm quite satisfied with it. And I use it for my setting my entire face. It's a little lighter shade, which is like great to highlight my under eyes and my high points of my face. So the next product is the Wet n Wild's eyebrow kit, which is this one. And now that I have seen millions of videos about this, nobody spoke about the hidden mirror in this one. Now they don't even know that this product has a hidden mirror inside. You just have to pull it out. There are so many bloggers who actually put up one dedicated video for this product and they never showed the mirror. But me being very curious about the product, oh, kya hai, aage piche kya hai? And then I just like, oh, there's a mirror. I didn't know that. But absolutely great. Also, I'm going to put up a review like those bloggers that they talk about the product in detail, which I will be doing too soon enough. So the next product is my absolute favorite. I love this one. It's the Wet n Wild's Precious Petals highlighter. I mean, it's in the shade Precious Petals. I love this one. It is so beautiful, man. It's so gorgeous. It's like this one and the Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter are those two highlighters that I can buy anytime, anyhow, and whenever I want. So the next product is my Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and I absolutely love it. The coverage is great, the consistency is great, the applicator is fabulous. It has a very sharp edge to it, which makes it so much more easier to work with. I absolutely love this one. Alright, so moving to my favorite part is the lipsticks that I got for myself, and there are quite a few of them. And let's start with the ones that I've waited for so long, which is the Nykaa's Molten Matte. They are lip and cheek color, that's what they say. I've got it in the shade Veronica and Rachel. This is the product. These are the products that have been in my wish list for the longest I can remember. I just wanted to get my hands on this, and I have finally gotten these two shades. This one's a very hot pink sort of a color, and this is a very neutral nude. And let me swatch it out for you. So this Rachel one, I love the packaging. It's very simple and nice, and the colors on the body, which makes it easier for me to pick up what shade I want. So the Rachel color is very, very beautiful. I am so attracted towards nudes these days, like nude lipsticks these days, that I absolutely loved it. It has a little bit of pink undertone in it. I don't know if you can understand that right now. And it actually dries out after some time, and it's perfect. It's so soft, and I absolutely love this one. Also, I'll be swatching the shade Rachel right here. It's a very hot pink sort of a color, and it's great if you want to use it for your cheeks. This one's Rachel and this one's Veronica. Let me tell you, this phase of mine right now, where I'm absolutely attracted towards very dark colors and completely nude color. I mean, I just don't get the idea. Why am I doing this? Because I used to love reds before. I used to love those bright reds like Ruby Woo. But right now I'm just craving and just going towards nudes and dark colors like there's no end to it. So I got my hands on these three Miss Claire SMLCs, which is the soft matte lip colors, and in the shade 63, 10, 64, 10 and 64. And these three are beautiful. Let me swatch them for you. It's raining outside. I'm using natural light, so it's a little dark. I really can't help it, man. So this is the shade 63 right here. It's a beautiful brown color. It just works great. So this one right here is the Miss Claire's number 10. It's a very vinish color, if I can tell you, which is very close to Veronica, if you can see, but it's much more intensified. And yeah, so the next shade is 64, which is going to be the viniest color that I own, which is this one right here. I also got my hands on the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. This one in the shade To the Fullest, which is a pure red with a little bit of orange hint undertone in it. I told you I like reds. I love reds. but I never owned a red color with orange undertone in it. This one's like that. And the last product of the day is my Nykaa's, I don't know which range is this, So Matte or what matte, I don't know. They have so many mattes range over there. It's just so confusing. This is the latest lipstick that they had launched. This is in the shade Let It Snooze. I told you I'm obsessed with nude colors these days, and Let It Snooze looks like this. I absolutely love all these lip shades. I'm right now wearing 63 and another color mixed up right now, and it looks like this. Beautiful, I love it. So I guess this is the end of this video. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and let me know. Also, if you have any other product recommendations that you think that I should try, please let me know in the comment section below. And please also let me know if any of these products that you've already used and they're your favorites. I would be happy to hear that from you. Please let me know that, okay? And share this video to all those makeup junkies out there. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel and support your girl. It will mean the world to me. And yeah, I'll meet you in the comment section below. So stay hydrated, feel beautiful, and spread love. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.